Us many great things, and we will always remember her with joy and happiness. And to make her remembrance even more special, some of your teachers got together and decided that starting this year and for every year now on, Scotts Elementary will honor the legacy of Miss Brookshire through the presentation of a yearly award called the Amanda Brookshire Compassion Award. The student chosen to receive this award is one who shows compassion and understanding to all those around and is kind and caring to everyone each and every day. The student chosen for this award is someone who would make Miss Brookshire very proud because they strive to always be a compassionate person. Today, I am very pleased and honored to announce that this year's recipient of the Amanda Brookshire Compassion Award is Aaliyah Colburn.
She's like, hey, can you say? Good,